Hello everyone, I welcome you back to Silo Light Healing. I hope you guys are doing well. Let us check what are the messages for you guys. What are your person's energies? What are their feelings? What are they currently thinking about you? And what are they wanting to convey to you? What are your spirit guides wanting to let you know? Okay, so I have already shuffled up the cards. Let us check what do we have. So with this card of King of Pentacles, what I am able to sense here is that your person is focused on money and attracting new opportunities. वो अभी उनके करियर पे फोकस कर रहे हैं और मे बी दे हैव इवन गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी विच दे आर रियली हैप्पी अबाउट. They are celebrating something. Definitely, maybe you have been invited somewhere, maybe your person has been invited somewhere, you guys are enjoying, maybe you both have been invited to a party or some sort of celebration, and you guys are going to meet somewhere, or maybe you are going to enjoy together. It could resonate with a few of you, or maybe I hope it resonates with all of you, but yeah, this is the energy that I am picking up. आपको इनविटेशन हो सकता है, आप दोनों को इनविटेशन हो सकता है. यू गाइज आर रियली एन्जॉइंग समवेयर, और मे बी आपके पर्सन जो है जिनके बारे में आप सोच रहे हैं, दे आर एन्जॉइंग देयर लाइफ बेसिकली. ओके, they are happy about something. It could be anything. It could be the celebration that is happening. It could be about the opportunities. That's what I'm picking up majorly here. They are happy about an opportunity that they have recently got or maybe come across. Secondly, wolf is significant here. Wolf, divine wolf could be significant. Maybe आप या फिर आपके person जो है वो wolf को pray करते होंगे. Divine wolf is an animal. So divine wolf is a divine animal जिनको आप pray कर सकते हैं, जिनसे आप कोई भी अपना wish बोल सकते हैं. You can gain strength. You can make your intuition stronger and powerful. And yeah, so he works wonders in your life. Okay, so yeah, basically आप या फिर आपके person in में believe करते होंगे, और maybe you are also praying to them. Maybe husky. Okay, husky, a breed of dog is important for you. Maybe you like pets, or maybe of this person that you are currently thinking about, he or she likes pets. Okay, सेकेंडली आपको लगता है कि ये जो आपका रिलेशनशिप है, कनेक्शन है, उसमें जो जितना भी आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है उतना आपको सामने मिला भी है. जितना आपने उसमें if इन्वेस्ट किया है, इट कुड बी योर टाइम, एफर्ट्स, एनीथिंग, मनी और एनी अदर थिंग एज वेल, उतना आपको रिटर्न आपके पर्सन ने भी दिया है. बेसिकली देर इज रेसिप्रोकेशन, ओके, ऑफ एफर्ट्स और एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव इन्वेस्टेड इन द कनेक्शन. सेकेंडली, आपके ये जो पर्सन है, आपको लगता है ये विश फुलफिलमेंट है, एंड आपको लगता है दैट दिस इज अ पास्ट लाइफ कनेक्शन. ओके, सो यू आर डीलिंग विद अ सोलमेट और मे बी एन एनर्जी विच इज़ प्योर. ओके, आपको लगता है कि ये एक ब्लेसिंग है आपके लाइफ में. ये जो पर्सन है जो आपको मिले थे या फिर जिनके साथ आप डील कर रहे हैं या कर रहे थे, ओके, सो ये आपके लिए ब्लेसिंग है. आपके लाइफ में ये ब्लेसिंग बनकर आए हैं, एंड जो भी आपने अभी तक मैनिफेस्ट किया है या फिर मैनिफेस्ट करना चाहते हैं एक कनेक्शन को, वैसा ही कनेक्शन इस पर्सन के साथ आपका था या फिर है. ओके, सो दिस कुड बी द एनर्जी, एंड you both are connected somewhere. Okay, spiritually, maybe even if you guys are physically apart, you might be having a long distance relationship or something, but you guys are connected spiritually, telepathically. Okay, you guys are praying for the connection as well. You are manifesting something. Maybe a meetup could take place, as I said. Okay, another thing that I am getting here is wish upon a star. So if you are praying about something, you can pray at night. You can definitely use candles for manifesting. Okay, so you might be performing candle magic spells. Maybe full moon day could be important for you. Okay, maybe stars, moon is important for you. Yeah, new beginnings, new connections, or maybe new opportunities are on the way. If you are waiting for somebody new, then definitely you are going to get a chance to meet somebody new. जैसे मैंने बोला कि कहीं पे कुछ सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है तो आपके पर्सन या तो सोच रहे हैं कि you know, if things were not going really well between the two of you, then they might be thinking about, you know, starting afresh with you, or maybe starting, um, getting indulged with somebody else. Okay, so they might have met somebody new. Abhi this might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so please don't take me otherwise, or maybe this is not a negative reading, but yeah, if it resonates, please take it, otherwise let it go. एंड मूव ऑन. या सो हो सकता है कि आप या तो नए पर्सन से मिले हैं या फिर ये पर्सन कोई नए पर्सन से मिले हैं. इट कुड बी अ केस इन द कनेक्शन. ओके, इफ नॉट देन प्लीज़ let it go, please let it go. Okay, so or maybe you guys are wishing to meet afresh again. So आपको लगता है कि आपके साथ आप दोनों के बीच में जो भी हुआ है पास्ट में, जो भी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स है या फिर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हुए थे, देन यू वांट टू फॉरगेट अबाउट इट एंड जस्ट मूव ऑन फ्रॉम दैट. सो यू कैन बेसिकली जस्ट move away from the past and start a new beginning with this person. Okay, because we have sun, moon, stars and so many things. So definitely with the sun card here, I get that you should move towards a new beginning, and this connection is definitely going towards a new beginning. Okay, secondly, आपको लगता है that this person that you are dealing with or thinking about is quite egoistic. Okay, when it comes to certain things. उनके डिसीजंस ऐसे हो सकते हैं या फिर उनके जो उनका रिस्पॉन्स टूवर्ड्स अ पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन, द वे यू एक्सपेक्टेड, दे माइट नॉट बी रिएक्टिंग इन अ सर्टन वे एंड यू थिंक दैट दे आर क्वाइट ईगोइस्टिक, और आपको लगता है कि उनके डिसीजंस ऐसे हैं जो आपको ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं. ओके, आपकी लाइफ में, एंड आपको वो फॉलो करना पड़ता है कई बार. ओके, यू माइट फील दैट वे एज वेल. Secondly, they might be reading books. Okay, or maybe they are focusing on their knowledge, or maybe their education as well. Okay, studying or maybe reading something. Yeah, and walking towards success, or maybe walking towards progress. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, so new messages we are picking up today. Okay, and you guys might be facing insomnia or maybe sleepless nights. Okay, not able to sleep well at night, or maybe you are missing this person a lot, but you have to continue manifesting the connection and the person that you want in your life. Okay, please don't stop, don't be negative and don't overthink. Meditate and manifest as well. Okay, so आपने जो भी सोच के रखा है, जो भी the way you want to manifest the connection or maybe a person in your life, it's going to happen very soon. Okay, yeah, and you feel some sort of connection with this person because they are also somewhere spiritually aligned, or maybe awakened soul. Their soul is quite awakened, and you feel that this person is very mature when it comes to certain things in their lives. So basically you are supposed to focus on your meditation, your chakras. You need to heal your crown chakra, your throat chakra and your heart chakra. Okay, so please focus on your crown chakra and heart chakra when you meditate. You can also meditate using sound. Okay, some sort of sound, maybe sound healing. You can go for sound healing. You can spend some time in nature. Maybe you guys are planning a trip with each other. Okay, maybe you like beaches. Okay, so you or maybe this person that you are dealing with, they might be a beach lover. Fine, so these were the messages, very unique messages, and I'll be coming back with another reading very soon. Till then, take care, stay blessed, bye bye.